How do you know that a lady is falling for you? Well, this is the most sensible question you should be asking yourself as a man. The best thing you should be doing as per now going forward is to stay tuned and watch this video up to the end and get yourself updated on the signs that a lady is falling for you. This alone will have to tame the character of trying to employ the trial and error methods when you are seeking validation or trying to drive your point in. It will save you the big embarrassment of all the times, and again, it will avoid the word tension. So if you've ever been faced with this kind of situation and you ask yourself how, so if this is you, I therefore recommend this video big time. Without much ado, let's jump into the topic right now. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Zach. This is my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, comment, and let us grow this YouTube together. Today's topic was about how do you know that a lady is falling for you. Number one, she begins to call you a couple, or everything you do going forward, she refers to we. She begins to perceive you as part of the team, as an integral part of partnership. So, number one thing that you need to know is that a lady who doesn't love you has got nothing to refer you as a partner or a couple. So, going forward, every other kind of activity that you two involve doing, it comes from singular to plural. So the plurality will carry in the day. So if a girl doesn't like you and has nothing to do with you, calling you as a couple or referring any kind of activity you involve in as a team, it would be a tall order for that to be achieved. So if a lady always talks about I, you, myself in her conversation, therefore she's not very sure about the relationship, that one also it would be a tall order. So be rest assured that if she begins to refer any kind of activity from singular to plurality, therefore that's a positive sign and a positive guess that this lady is into you and madly has fallen in love with you. Number two, she is always there for you. So if a lady makes her time in the midst of myriad kind of a busy schedule or activities, therefore it is also a positive guess that she is madly into you. So finding someone who leaves her busy schedule, who leaves her activity to create latitude, time, and that space and opportunity going forward, just to give you attention, just to be available for your request. Therefore, it shows that she loves you. Therefore, as a gentleman, you shouldn't take that one as literally being cheap. You shouldn't just take that one for granted, because no one likes to be taken for granted. But if you act in a gentleman way, you reciprocate back in giving attention. Take that cell phone, always call and be available and give back attention as required. Remember, no one will be there for you, no one will create time for you if she doesn't want anything to do with you. If she doesn't like you, she won't be creating time amidst busy schedule. So always reciprocate in a good way as a gentleman. Number three, she starts make long plan with you. For example, if your lady just decided just to plan for your birthday, getaway parties, plan for the trips out time with you, and plan for vacation time with you. Remember, this lady has already viewed you as a long-time partner with you. She just wants to have part of you for the longest time possible. This is also a positive gesture and indicator that the lady has fallen for you. So it is you as a man to always act and to know at what point are you coming in, and you drive the nail into the head. Number 4, she introduces you to those close or matters to her. This could be the parents, this could be the friends, and her social construct. So if one is really into you, maybe she wants her friends and her social contracts to know more about you. Maybe if you're a man and you are taken for an introductory session or process, remember your information has reached the friends out. You've been marked as her future man. Therefore, you are not just literally there being exposed, but you are just being exposed for endorsement. You're just being exposed for the further study, for an embarrassment. So appearing there, you also should be having manners. You should not be behaving as somebody who doesn't care, because you are there for some kind of validation. You are there for some kind of physical studies, and you'll be asked questions going forward so that they will determine. Because remember, if a lady has taken that chance to go and introduce you within a social circle and construct, remember your information had reached there earlier. So for better part of validation or a better part of relationship, therefore the ladies or the parents or whoever matters within their social construct must also view you as one of them. So being there is not a PR, but is a sign of stamping authority that I'm having so and so next to me, and he is here for a very long time going forward into the future. Number 5, she supports your passion or your interest. So if you see a lady ask you the area of your passion or the area of your interest going forward or your goals in life, she does that because she wants to know, so that she can form some kind of synergy. She can have you aligned with her goal, because she's a new person coming into your life. So that synergy, when formed, she really wants to support it going forward. So if somebody is there for you and always want you to support your passion and interest, she just wants you to succeed in life. She just wants you to realize the ends meet. So it is a simply clear gesture that the lady has fallen in love for you. She does not only want you to succeed, but also wants a successful man in life. Remember, a successful man in life will always track attention of every other kind of human under his feet. So if you succeed, she succeeds. That's the reason why she will ever support, and it's a clear indicator. And number 6, she always open up to you beyond the facade. Beyond the physical look or beyond the beauty, there are other things that are so confidential with every face of human being. But if a lady decides to open her soul and open her life like you, to you as a book for you to read going forward, therefore as a man, read it keenly, learn it more, then correct where you need to correct, learn where you need to learn as a team, but do not have a loose tongue. The level of confidentiality should be at par excellence. You should not have a loose tongue that later in life or in the state, whatever word happens between you, you start using such against her. The rule of thumb doesn't allow that. For you to have the partnership or relationship intact, the level of confidentiality must be maintained. You must really have to respect each other no matter what. And number 7, and the last one, she is interested to knowing your friends. So knowing your friends here, she just wanted to know your close construct, your parent, your friends, and to who matters to you. This is a clear indicator that she has already fallen and she wants to know you more further. Are you there? Don't just take it as a lady wants or she's interfering with your social contracts. Getting to know you further, whom you relate to, will also make her aligned. Will also make her screen whatever is useful within you. Maybe she just wanted to know who are these people in your life that has really shaped your life and future going forward. And she just want to know whoever you identified with, who matters within your social construct. So always when this one happens, the lady asks you about your friends, just be truthful, tell her. But remember, you are in there for study, and always tell your friend to behave whenever you'll be bringing her along, so that nothing